Hey guys, here I'm going to show you a little bit of my house for the last time. This is gonna be a mini home tour for the fall. You guys know that I have done my tier trim, my coffee station. If you didn't saw this video, go and check it out. I posted up yesterday. Um, so guys, this is my coffee station here. Guys, I have such a mess. I am packing. All right, guys, let's go to the living room and my dining room. All right, here we are entering my dining room. This is the tablescape that I did for you guys. My tea party for the fall. I still have my tea on the table and I still have 2 pieces of cake there. So I didn't light up the candles because I'm just doing a home tour right quick. Guys, this video is part of an open collaboration hosted by Maria from Creaciones with a group of lovely creators. Guys, so I'm just showing you a little bit of home tour. As you guys can see, you guys going to see boxes in the way. You see my shelf is empty except my top portion, which I have decorated for the fall. You guys have seen this video. If you didn't, go and check it out. And also here's the flower arrangement. And the only new flowers here are the sunflower that my husband bought me. I think it was at Walmart. They were $3.49. Yes. And of course, you guys see my sign back there, which is a faith. It does not make things easier. It made things possible, guys, and that is so true. You guys see, I have my candles lit. Don't worry, guys. I will be turned off. And also, I have one of my fall picture frames up there, which is signed. I can't remember the name right now, but yeah, guys. And then, of course, my beautiful daughter and grandson. You guys cannot see it because of the, there it is. Over here. Oh, I also had to bring my plants in because it's getting really cold, like 50 and below outside. Okay, guys, you guys see a box there, which I packed everything that was in my shelf. I'm getting rid of my shelf. It's a good heavy duty shelf, my buffet, but it is so heavy, guys. It's just, it weighs more than a casket. A lot of you guys ask me why I keep blankets on my chair and not in my sofa, and this is why. My service dog, he always sit with me on the recliners. So there he is. Hi, Apollo. He is one of my plants that were outside. They're still making flowers. Here is my coffee table with my fairy lights. Let me get down like this so you guys can see with my fairy lights, guys. There it is. And of course, again, my grandson's photo there and my daughter. And my battery operated candle for the fall. And this candle has like a little squirrel. That's how you pronounce it, little squirrel there. And of course, my DIY Cartland. So let me show you another space. Here in this coffee table, well, my corner table, I have my Christmas cactus, which is right there. That's a real plant. And of course, a little flower arrangement in one of my silver, oh my goodness, mini flower vase. And my crystal, I actually don't know if I have anything in there. Oh, one candy. But yeah, I usually keep them full for when my grandson gets here. Here I have a um, it's like a tray. It's a maple leaf. It's a big one. So I put a couple of little things there with pine corn. This this pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree, and of course one of my glass pumpkins. This little garland that you guys see here, I did this garland myself, guy. It looks like it's red in camera, but it's actually orange. I did it 2 days ago. I was bored, so I decided to create it. And then here, my TV, I put couple of garlands that I have, and I have a shelf sitter there, and my DIY pumpkin. As you guys can tell, it's a DIY pumpkin with my little garland. And over here on the other side, I also have another big DIY pumpkin, and that is a succulent from the Dollar Tree. Actually, let me turn it. I think it will look better to turn like this. Yeah, with my succulent. Um, I don't know where's my big pumpkin one. All right, hold on. All right, my other coffee table. Well, the coffee table is the center table that I show you. Another end table is this one that I have here, which I have my fairy light. Let me turn on the lamp so you guys can see. I have a little pig right there with a little scarecrow, and this pump this and this pumpkin are for Dollar Tree, and this one is from Dollar General, but from a long time ago. These ones are from last year. And of course, you guys see my big flower vase there. It's not fall related. I have to take it apart and pack it in a box. And of course, I have my big pigs back there. And I put my neutral big pillows in my couch. And a lot of people ask me, why don't you karate chop them? They don't. They're very hard pillows. So, yeah, this is just a little tour. And of course, another little scarecrow there in one of my planters. And the little harvest sign, which that was a gift from another YouTuber. And do not mind this here. This is my grandson's video game. Sorry about that. That's the one that you hear barking, guys. Little Princess Diamond. You gonna say hello? You gonna say hello? Hello. All right, guys. Let me come over here. Hey, guys. Thank you for being here with me. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Guys, I am packing and it's hard. I'm very stressed out, but I bring you guys this little video. I'm gonna leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hi. Papa, hello. You don't want to say hi? Say hi. Hi, everybody. Bye, guys. God bless you all.